Always choose a strategy that matches your personality and your lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this can be far from the truth. If you're not available on your charts to take that trade, what use is that strategy? And think of it as an example, right? If you put a sprinter in a long marathon run, what is the result? If you take a marathon runner and put him into a sprint, what do you expect? Right? So if you're a swing trader, day trading is going to haunt you. It's going to be so fast that you're going to fail consistently. And if you're a day trader, the pace of how swing trades form themselves, you're going to hate your life. So always make sure to match them both. Here at Fortitude FX, I'm a day trader. I look at fast moving price action, and I'm going to show you how to exactly get involved in trades that are fast. I'm going to tell you exactly how to get involved in trades with high probability chance of winning. So let's look at the charts. What do we have here? We have a downtrend, yeah. We have an uptrend. We have a ranging market. We have a downtrend. We have a ranging market. I would call this a trend. I would call this a trend. I would call this a trend. Ranging market, I would call this a trend. I would call this a trend right here. Complete ranging, and then I will call this a trend. What we teach you here is how to get early indications and how to get a confirmation entry at the earliest possible signs when a trend starts forming itself, right? And all of these, and how to stay away from these ranges. So let me take that away from here. Now, if you look at the charts, you can always obviously see their trending markets, but how do we get involved in this? And the way we do get involved in this is look at and study the candles. If you're looking at this time frame, this whole thing, I don't care as a day trader what happens anywhere else except the price action that I'm looking right now. Yeah, except for that price action. I don't care if I'm trading here. I don't care what happened here. I don't even care what happened 15 minutes, 30 minutes ago. I'm not interested because your decision is being made directly in the moment when the price is forming, right? I don't care if there is an order block here, price moves back and then moves away, and then you're looking for n number of confluences. That is not us, guys. That is going to kill you waiting. And if you are a day trader, you know exactly what I mean is that you need to have that fast action. And in order to get that fast action, we need to make sure that whatever we enter in is high probability of winning. It's not gambling that we're here for. And how do we put that framework together? So in putting that framework together, we look at two time frames. So the two time frames obviously is the 15-minute over here, and then we have the 1 minute right here. And I've also already done the trade part, and I'm going to explain this to you. Obviously, again, I've cherry picked this, so don't haunt me on this one, or don't. Of course, I've cherry picked this, so don't hold me accountable here. But it's the point that I'm trying to get across. When a session opens, so here's the London session. When this session opens, there is nothing exciting happening. So why would you get involved in any of this market conditions? The price is sweeping the highs, sweeping the lows. There is nothing that is interesting over here to get involved. So stay out of the market. There is no trend. Trend happens with a single candle. A single candle is what defines a trend in this strategy. This momentum candle tells me that a trend is established just by looking at it. So if I were to look at the same candle over here, is this not a trend, right? Is this not creating higher highs, higher lows? Similarly, if I were to look at this candle right here, right? This candle right before this, it wasn't a higher high created, a higher low created, and wasn't this broken right here. Did it not create a trend? So all I need to see, momentum candles kick in. And once a momentum candle kicks in, I am interested in getting involved into a trade on the very next candle. I want to catch the wick right here. I am interested in getting involved as early as possible, trying to catch massive trades like this all the way to the moon. This one, obviously, you're not going to hold it that long, but it turned out to be a 17-hour trade if you had the reason or time to catch it all the way till here. But how did I get involved, right? So as soon as the market opens, and this is the New York session, as soon as the market opens, I, in this case, looked at the candle right before the session and I saw a pretty bullish momentum, a good momentum candle, right? So it had already managed to create a wick from the previous candle. It was mitigating this candle over here. There is no fair value gap in this candle. So it's fantastic, right? So price has balance completely out this price action. The price is not going to come back deeper over here before it launches, because first face value, there's no fair value gap. There is no interesting price action that tells me that price is going to come back. So all I'm interested in is I'm interested in following this trend. How do I do that? Look at this. As soon as this candle is formed, I put a box around it, and all I'm interested, the only price action that I'm interested in is in this box. I am not interested in anything else. None of this, none of what happened yesterday, day before yesterday, last year, even 30 minutes ago, I'm not interested. All I'm interested in is this candle and the very next candle. And it is a very simple setup. All I need to see is that price pull back, take some level of liquidity within my setup. This is a mandatory part of my strategy, that a liquidity point has to be swept. And as soon as it's swept, I look at placing a stop order at the liquidation candle, or any other candle that keeps breaking the low, putting a stop order on the high of that candle. So as soon as that breaks, it tells me that on the lower time frame, seconds time frame, the trend has already been reversed, right? So I want to get as early as possible, get tagged in and run that entire trend to the moon, basically. You will get these because markets range and markets trend. It is not possible for markets to just range all the time. And if candles are forming, they have wicks, right? If there's a bullish momentum candle, high probability that the following candle is bullish. All we need to understand is how do we catch the wick of the next candle that is being created to run that trend high, right? Looking at this, is this not a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low? And did we not get ourselves involved in the best position possible for this setup, right? And this is what we do every year. So if you're interested in these type of trades and these type of strategies, there is a form in the description of this video. Please like, subscribe, share, fill that form in, and you will hear from me again. You all take care now. Bye-bye.